Welcome to Ksolves Odoo Shopify Connector. In this video, you will learn how to import product stocks from Shopify to Odoo. Head over to Shopify Connector, click on Instance, choose your instance and select a specific operation. Select Create Record in Import Action. Select Import Product Stock. Ensure operation flow is Shopify to Odoo. Click on Execute. Related job lines will be created. Wait for the process to execute automatically, or you can process them manually. As you can see, the job lines have been completed. Head over to Instance, head over to Inventory module. Click on Reporting, click on Stock. As you can see, the related product records with the stock have been created. In this way, we can import product stock in Odoo from Shopify. Contact us at sales@ksolves.com or visit the Odoo App Store to start your free trial today. We will be sharing more feature videos on the same. Thank you for watching.